I believe she's in the. I know she's in the chopper. She's in the chopper.
Let's go, Todd.
Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper. Laura is in the chopper as we speak. Now I don't know if she can. Can you hear me, Laura?
I can hear you. You guys are trying to speak, but I can hear you.
Okay.
So just speak up.
All right.
How cold is it?
So here's.
It's 17 degrees with open wind chill. It's the left side of me. I actually was sitting on the left side of the chopper today, not the right side. So my left rear cheek is freezing.
Okay. All right. How far are you from the actual target?
We are above the target right now. If you go outside,
Okay.
I would like to do a test drop just to see how things are going to go.
Okay, guys, why don't you go out first and hook up with the wireless mics. And Laura is in a helicopter from Seacoast Helicopters. And yeah, go ahead. And I'll come out in just a second. She's in a helicopter from Seacoast Helicopters, and we are going to try and give away 100 Mega Millions tickets from the New Hampshire State Lottery. We've got 16 names, 16 numbers out on a giant bingo card in the parking lot on the ground. She's going to throw paint balloons from the top, from the chopper to try and hit it. All right?
Yes. Oh, can I drop one now?
Yeah. Well, Andy and Roadkill are getting out there. Here, give us 1 second. She's in a holding pattern above the radio station. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hi, where are you?
Where is
I'm
it?
up above you.
Look up in the sky.
Where? I don't see you. Oh,
There it is.
Can you see me waving?
I see you guys. You see me?
Drop a balloon. Test
I'm going to
balloon.
throw a balloon. I'm opening my bag of goodies.
All right, drop a test
I
one.
want you to step away from where you are, because I
Just
can't
drop
honestly
it.
see you. We have to go back a little.
If you take
We have to go back a little. I
I see
don't
ya.
want to get you.
That's all right. I got my eye.
They're worried that Andy and Roadkill are outside. They don't want him anywhere near the drop zone because of wind. So
Let
here,
it go. Here we go.
there it goes.
Where?
How far off was she, Andy?
We have to go to the left.
Dunkin' Donuts.
How was that, guys?
I didn't even see it come down.
Dunkin' Donuts.
How far, seriously, Scotty? Dunkin' Donuts. That's across the street.
I think you hit a truck out on Route 1.
Wow.
Okay, we're going to go.
This is going to take a while to dial this in, I think.
You might be right.
Laura is in a helicopter.
Oh, this one have a shot.
Watch out for the bird.
The numbers on the bingo card are not in order.
All right. So we've moved.
Go ahead, Scotty. Go ahead, Scotty.
We've moved Jeff.
You moved Jeff. Jeff is where? Out by the bingo card?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
Are
Yeah.
you trying to hit the sheet?
Can you hear us, Laura?
Oh, that is great, and you just came in perfectly clear. The wind is taking these things to places I don't even know.
Okay.
All right. Try dropping another one.
How about at this point we try to get it in the parking lot?
They're not going in the parking lot?
Now listen,
What color are you dropping?
if by chance she throws all that she has and it doesn't hit the sheet, we'll just draw 4 random numbers. All right.
Yeah, the problem is the wind is taking these things to...
All right. Let's just keep throwing here. Let's go.
I see it.
Okay,
I
we
see
go over
this
the
one. I see it. It's coming down, Greg.
That's a bird.
There it goes. It's... Oh!
In the trees.
A little more to the right, Laura.
So what are we talking about when you say that? What is she, 10, 15, 20 yards off?
Yeah,
100.
About there, G. About that.
Wow.
Well, see, it's really hard to aim with the wind, and it keeps us...
I wouldn't have thought. You know what? I wouldn't have thought it would have been this challenging.
Drop some more, Laura.
I'm trying, guys.
No, I know you are.
Here comes another one. I lost it.
Oh, I'm almost out of balloons.
I can.
Oh, almost, Laura.
She's.
You're right there, Laura. You're right there. Drop another one. Right there from...
Right there.
Tell him to hover right there and drop.
Dear God.
Laura is in a helicopter with Seacoast Helicopters. There's no door on it. That's why the audio.
No, there isn't a door, and I'm freezing.
Yeah, the audio is a little bit rough because of the helicopter noise in her headset. Scotty, Andy, how close has she come? Has she come?
Now she's within 10 feet.
Okay.
That one landed at Toys R Us.
All right. Scotty's just being a dick. That was a Toys
You're
R
within
Us.
10. Here comes another one. I think she's got it. I think she's got it. I think she's. Oh!
Did it just miss?
Just now she's within 5 feet.
Wow.
5 feet, Laura.
You are
5
honing
feet.
it in. You're honing it in, Laura.
Guys, I'm trying so hard, and I'm actually out of balloons.
Well, hey, you're actually out of balloons.
Can you hang off the pontoon bar? Can you step
I don't know
out?
what else I can throw out.
All right.
No,
Don't
business.
throw out anything.
Throw out your
You
bra.
want me
Don't-
to throw out my mittens?
No, don't throw out anything. If you're out of balloons, you're out of balloons. We'll do a random drawing.
I'm throwing myself back inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little cold out here.
You know
I
what?
will say being up in the chopper, the wind is crazy.
That was awesome, though. I mean,
That was
to see them
amazing.
coming down, G, were amazing.
the pilot had said, "All right, Laura, we're going to let you go."
Okay, guys.
All right, thank you.
Thanks,
nice try.
Laura.
Much more difficult than we thought it was going to be, I guess. I mean, the
just for the-
pilot had said 7-knot winds. That's a pretty stiff wind up there.
Just
Talking to that.
the, the battery died on
You're
the other
on,
one.
you're on.
Just for the record, that last one
yeah, no,
it was
that's it.
the closest.
Yeah.